Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your Apple ID. Enable two-factor authentication, then generate an app-specific password. This is the secure key Gmail needs. Once done, open the Gmail app and tap Add Account. Select Other or Personal IMAP when prompted. You don't choose Google because iCloud uses IMAP and unique credentials. Make sure you have your full iCloud email address ready. You'll enter that and the app-specific password instead of your normal Apple password. This prevents sign-in blocks. Next, choose Manual Setup and pick IMAP. Enter your full iCloud address as the username and paste the app-specific password into the password field. For incoming mail use IMAP. Mail, me, COM with SSL enabled and port 993. For outgoing use SMTP. Mail, me, COM with SSL and port 587 or TLS if prompted. Make sure authentication is set to password for both. Once you save these, Gmail will verify the servers and sync folders. Finalize by choosing sync options, how many days to sync, which folders to show, and whether to sync contacts and calendars. Send a test email and check that incoming messages arrive and sent items appear in iCloud Sent. If anything fails, don't panic. The most common fix is regenerating an app-specific password in your Apple ID and re-entering it in Gmail. Also double-check server names, SSL and ports, and that two-factor is active. These settings prevent connection errors and explain most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.